How to create a Fanbasis checkout page. In this video, I'll show you how to create a checkout page in Fanbasis for your digital and physical product.
So to get started, log into your Fanbasis dashboard. Click on Create New Product by going into this product section and select the type, either digital, service, or physical. Upload your product image, set the title, description, and more. Choose if you want to check out a one-time payment, subscription, or pay what you want model. Enable custom checkout fields if you want to ask buyers for specific info like email or address. Next, toggle shipping on if you're selling physical goods. For digital items, upload your file or link. Go to payment settings and connect your Stripe or PayPal account. Click Customize Page to adjust the font, colors, and layout of your checkout. Add a thank you message or redirect link if you want buyers sent elsewhere after purchase. Once everything's ready, click Publish. Copy your checkout page link and share it anywhere, email, Instagram, or your website. Use test mode to stimulate a purchase before going live. And that's how to create a fan basis checkout page.